Hi guys, my name is Faiz and my group is Aqil and Dervin and we from carbon monoxide group. So today we're going to talk a bit about carbon monoxide and what can we do to ourselves or environment. So we go into the first slide. Carbon monoxide is a colorless gas that is produced when something burns with enough oxygen. It can come from things like car, stove, and heater. So carbon monoxide itself can be harmful because when people breathe in it, we can reduce the oxygen in their blood since we need oxygen to live. Too much carbon monoxide can be dangerous to us. It's often called silent killers because you cannot see or smell it. Okay, for the next slide. Physical properties of carbon monoxide. So the density of carbon monoxide is lighter and it's difficult to detect without specific equipment, only dissolved in water, and it's not flammable, but it can aid in the burning of the other materials. So it means it can help other materials burn so fast. So for our next slide, chemical properties of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is produced when wood, gas, or coal are burned with another. So carbon monoxide can cause high hemoglobin level that can make the body create too much red cell and the blood become thick. That's all for me. So I'm short past the next slide. Thank you.
Thank you, Faiz, for your introduction of carbon monoxide and its physical properties. Next, my name is Aqil Aiman. I will be introducing about the industry that carbon monoxide is found. First is power plant. CO can be generated during the combustion of fossil fuel such as coal, natural gas, or oil in the power generation plants. Second, industrial furnaces. Processes like now metal smelting and heat treatment often involve combustion, leading to CO emissions. Third, steel production. CO can be released during the steel production through processes like blast furnaces. For automotive industry, carbon monoxide is a component of vehicle exhaust or their engine. Auto manufacturing plants and facilities with indoor parking may have elevated CO levels. In conclusion, the power plants, industrial furnaces, steel production, and automotive industry shares a common factor in carbon monoxide emission because they all involve the combustion of carbon-containing fuels. The processes of combustion which is essential in this industry leads to the release of carbon monoxide (CO) as a byproduct. Next, I will explain about the route of entry for carbon monoxide. Through the route of entry for carbon monoxide is inhalation. The primary routes of entry for carbon monoxide is through inhalation. When CO is presented in the air, especially in enclosed or poorly ventilated spaces, it can be inhaled into the lungs. Carbon monoxide is colorless and odorless gas, which makes it difficult to detect without specialized equipment, meaning that you can be exposed to carbon monoxide, inhaling them without you even knowing it. Next, it will then absorb in the lungs. Once inhaled, carbon monoxide rapidly diffuses across the alveolar membranes in the lungs and enters the bloodstream. In the bloodstream, carbon monoxide binds the hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin. Then it will transfer in the bloodstream. Carboxyhemoglobin is a stable complex that reduces the blood activity to carry oxygen. As a result, oxygen delivery to tissues and organs is compromised, leading to a condition known as carbon monoxide poisoning. Distribution to tissues. The bloodstream carries carboxyhemoglobin throughout the body, affecting various organs and tissues. The brain and heart are particularly vulnerable to the effects of oxygen deprivation caused by carbon monoxide. It's important to note that carbon monoxide poisoning can occur in various settings, such as homes with faulty heating systems, garage with running vehicles, industrial facility with combustion processes, and more. Next, I will give it to Dervin to talk about the symptoms of carbon monoxide.
Thank you, Aqil Aiman, for your presentation about the industrial carbon monoxide found and route of entry. My name is Dervin. I'm here to present about the carbon monoxide poisoning symptom. Firstly, carbon monoxide poisoning affect the brain and heart the most. The exposure over time may lead to symptoms that can be mistaken for flu without the fever. The clear symptoms of carbon monoxide can include headache, weakness, dizziness, vomiting, shortness of breath, confusion, blurred vision, and loss of muscle, loss of consciousness, and symptom related to the nervous system and brain can come on after recovery from carbon monoxide poisoning. The risk of those is higher in people who lost consequences from the carbon monoxide and are older people. Symptoms may include memory loss, personality changes, movement problem. Carbon monoxide poisoning can be especially dangerous for people who are asleep, drank, or drunk. Carbon monoxide can cause brain damage or death before anyone realizes their problem. Nextly, I want to present about the prevention of the carbon monoxide poisoning. Do have your heating system, water heater, and any other gas, oil, or coal burning appliance served by a qualified technician every year. Do install a battery operated or battery backup carbon monoxide detector in your home. Check or replace the battery when you change the time on your clocks each spring and fall. If the detector sound, leave your home immediately and call 911 and do speak the proper medical help if you suspect CO poisoning or feeding disease and heat heated or rusted. Do use a generator or charcoal grill, champ stove, or other gas line or charcoal burning device inside your home, basement or garage or near a window. Don't run a car or truck inside the garage attached to your house even if you leave the door open. Don't burn anything in stove or fireplace that isn't vented. Don't heat your house with a gas oven. Don't use a generator or pressure washer or any other gas line powered engine less than 20 feet from any window, door or vent. Use an extension cord that more than 20 feet long to keep the generator at the safe distance. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
In conclusion, carbon monoxide is a serious, potentially lethal gas that requires attention and preventive measures. Common sources of CO include incomplete combustion of fossil fuel in vehicles, home heating systems, and other appliances. Adequate ventilation, regular maintenance of combustion devices, and the use of carbon monoxide detectors are essential in mitigating the risk of exposure. Public awareness and education are also crucial in preventing accidental carbon monoxide poisoning. Continued research and technological advancement in detection and mitigation strategies will contribute to creating safer environments and reducing the impact of the silent but deadly costs on human health. Meaning that in the end, if we learn about the what is carbon monoxide, the physical property of carbon monoxide, the industry that is found, the route of entry, the symptom, and the health effect, we can further make sure that carbon monoxide poisoning doesn't accidentally happens. That is all for my group presentation. Thank you. I would like to thank Madam Rosita for watching this video. That is all from us.